All right, today I'm taking a look at the Xsense XPO1-W 3-pack. These are the wireless interleaked combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Okay, so we got a nice individual wrapping for all of them, so that's nice. And here we have the bases, so we can clip them into the ceiling, and they even come with screws and drywall anchors, so that's nice. And that is the alarm, and that's actually really nice looking. One of the things I love about this one is that the entire surface here is the button. So on normal alarms, where it's just a little tiny button over here, you actually have to get a stool or something like that, stand on it so you can reach up and hit it with your finger. But this one, you can just use a broom handle or whatever you got to smack that button, and it will stop the alarm. So I love that. And see how clean this thing looks. Like, this looks much nicer than all the other smoke alarms I've ever seen. This is a very classy look. We got lock and unlock, so you know exactly how you can pop this thing off if you need to. But one of the things that I like about this the most is that there is no 9-volt battery on the inside. This has a sealed battery inside of it that will last 10 years. So you know how you're always sitting in your house, you're just enjoying a movie or whatever, and you hear that beep? Well, with this one, it's going to take 10 years for you to actually hear that. And not having to deal with that beep every 6 months, for me, that makes this worth it 100%. The other thing that makes this thing stand out is that this is actually wirelessly linked. If this one goes off, it's going to actually set off the other two as well. So that way, if I'm up on another floor and I don't hear this one going, whatever alarm I have up there will warn me, and that way I can get out of danger. So yeah, pretty awesome alarm. And there's a button right here to turn it on, so that's going to automatically fire whenever we lock this on. So there we go. There we go. I got 2 of them. So to pair these, I'm going to hit a button 4 times on one of them. And then I'm going to press this one twice. There we go. So they're paired. So now we're going to add this one. So I'm going to press one of these 4 times, doesn't matter which one. I'm going to hit this one twice. There we go. So now they're all paired. And I can keep on doing that with as many of these as I want. All right, so now I'm going to take this one out, and I'm going to cause a ruckus with it, and that should set off these 2. And if I come over here and I silence this one should still keep on going off until I silence this one. There we go. Okay, so that one stopped. This one's still going. Okay, cool. So they work. Awesome little smoke detectors.